contributes to the loss of self-confidence? There are 6 main things that we can name today that contributes to lose our self-confidence. Of course, challenging situations in life, meaning situations that are activating this sense of failure, of being rejected, of being criticized. These challenging situations, for example, if we go into our teenager phase, we felt maybe criticized, or we also create these stories in our mind when we thought that some girls or some boys, they were rejecting or criticizing us. And we kept that stories behind in our mind, and we feel that we have no self-confidence because of that. And we kept those stories, and maybe they were not truth because we didn't confront them and we didn't ask if this was true or not. Or maybe it was really a challenging situation when you were bullying or you were feeling like you were bullied. The number 2 is comparing to others. And this is something that we do very, very often. And nowadays it's even more. And sometimes it's not even conscious. But as soon as we go into social media and we look at those pictures and we look at those reels and we look at all that information, we start comparing ourselves to others. Oh, I am not doing that. I am not communicating in that way. Maybe I need to change because I am not achieving what she is achieving. If you are comparing yourself to your neighbors, comparing yourself to your siblings, comparing yourself sometimes to your own partners, because they have another way of how they deal with life, how they deal with things. And we feel less confident or less smart comparing to them, to how they react. But we need to understand that we react in a different way because we are a different person. Stop comparing yourself with your parents, with your couple, with your siblings, with friends, with society. This will beat you down. Then perfectionism. We are this generation of perfectionist girls that they want to deliver everything in a perfect way. And this is a lot of pressure because perfectionism goes along with it is never enough. Perfection does not exist. You are perfect as you are, and the more you are doing things from love, the more perfect they will be. Of course, everything that we are doing has a learning lesson. Everything that we are thinking, saying, doing has an opportunity to be improved. But don't waste your energy trying to make it perfect because maybe it's not necessary. And you are really wasting your time trying to be perfect. Just know that you are doing everything with love. Take care of those details, but see the whole picture. The whole picture is more important than that small detail that you are looking and that you are beating yourself up from not seeing that before. But please, let's heal in ourselves this part of being a perfectionist. Then the lack of support. When we feel that our team is not supporting our idea, when we feel that our family is not supporting our way of living or our way of thinking or behaving, then we lose confidence because we feel that we are fighting alone. And we start questioning, am I going in the correct way? But everyone is telling me that this is not good and I am still going there. Trust yourself if where you are going, it's good for you. If you are not making any kind of damage or creating any kind of pain to the people around you, and they don't want to support you because they are not aligned to your lifestyle, then continue and find people that are going to support you. Always keeping in mind that what you are looking for is created from love, and it's creating something positive for yourself and of course to share it with others. Another thing is trauma and abuse. If you experience trauma situations or any kind of abuse, you believe that it's your fault, and then we lose self-confidence. If you experience something like this, please ask for help, because we really need help to heal that part. We cannot heal it by ourselves. We really need someone or a technique to support us to understand this, because some of these experiences, they have no answers or clear answers, and we just need to find a way to help ourselves healing that in order to grow our self-confidence. And of course, this negative self-talk. I am not enough. Why me? Who do I think I am? All these, not only beliefs, but also this speech that we are always saying, no, I am not capable enough. No, I won't have the time. No, I am not young enough or old enough to achieve this. So please stop criticizing yourself. Stop saying no to yourself when you are trying to change or to improve something in your life. We need to dig more about it, where this is coming from. Considering these 6 points, go and search. Why am I talking to me like this? Am I afraid? Am I angry? Is this coming from my family, from my culture, from my religion, from beliefs that I really have in myself and about myself? So search, which are those things that are keeping you away from trusting yourself.